Do you have an Eitze? Do you have advice for other Yiddish translators?
I think we should get together. Online, using modern resources, it would be very helpful to get together and cross ideas and establish maybe guidelines, or between us make one dictionary or a dictionary is being made, I know that, but helping it, like creating guidelines for Yiddish translation or for Yiddish books, because sometimes I feel we're all doing isolated efforts, and it would be worth to make one effort or a big one. For example, the people are translating, you mentioned the other day that you are training people to translate. I would love to be there, to take part, to learn and to become part of it. Not only for my Jewishness or whatever, professionally it's a whole challenge. And it would be the way to get all together. I mean, I feel that all these isolated efforts, it would be worth to finding a way to conjugate them instead of making them separate, no? And well, there's a lot of forums, there's a lot of pages, and there's a lot of systems to create a joint effort, creating a glossary, creating translation tools that can help not only me, the rest of the translators, because you guys are I imagine, are getting a whole group of people together, a big group. We need those resources. They're not available. They don't exist in Yiddish. And I think it's the time to work on them.